So I wanted to give a brief overview of the pygpio module that I've written. It's a lightweight wrapper over the gpio bash command provided by WiringPi. I did this because dealing with the current Python modules that are not root based, you have to execute with sudo and things like that I got tired of, and I just wanted a simple, easy to use, do it all Python module. So this is basically what I have. So this green LED on pin number 22, we're going to take and start to manipulate it a little bit. So if we take a look, I've started IPython and I've imported the module. We can make a pin representation. We see that this is acting as a GPIO pin number 22. We can go ahead and take this pin, set it as an output. It already is, but just for shits and giggles, we can write to it 0, and we should see it turn off. We could write back to 1, turn it back on. We can even do things like toggle it for whatever the value is. You can set as inputs, you can set as outputs. You can see that if I did a pin set input, that the light goes out as we are now reading from it. So it's reading nothing just because it's shorted to ground. We can go ahead and read if we wanted to. It would return to us actually 1, which I don't understand, but that's fine. Out of curiosity, I wonder if we could try and write to it at this point and make it 0, and then read it. Still 1, so it's reading high. It's kind of interesting. It must be reading high what? Because we're not actually short of the ground because we're through the LED. Sure, that sounds like a viable reason. Anyway, this is it's just very, very lightweight, but this is what I want to use for the GPIO Python Qt based GUI. Since this is extremely easy, you can represent as classes each of the pins. It'd be very easy to create a class for every pin and be able to keep track of these kind of things. Included in it is pin labels, things like that, so we can take a look. Anyway, thanks.